Happy New Year's 2020. Let's get into it. Problematic subject. There's some construction going on. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm going to play some of the fun parts and then we'll talk about it. So we'll start out with the intro. 2 draw bend. Easy. Right after that, 4 draw walk down all the way to 2 draw. And then you do another bender. Yeah, this one's really fun. I forgot all about this song, and then a couple of you guys commented on it in the comments from What If, and I was like, ooh, yeah, let's do problematic subject. Okay, so again, I'll play that. If you're not comfortable with bending, I got a tutorial on it, and it's also a sleeping in tutorial by King Gizzard. It's kind of hidden, so in case you missed that, go check it out. Otherwise, let's move on. Right after that part, he does a 4 high 4 draw, and then pound it on the 3, and then a little 3 draw, and then repeat. So it's right after the guitar comes in, and he goes. Yeah, that part's really fun. It's good. Just play along with the song too. I totally recommend putting the song on. Just put it on repeat and then just play it over and over and over again. I got my custom Gizzard little Skittles down here. Yep. Okay, anyways, moving on. The very last part is a 7 draw, 6 blow, and then 4 draw, 5 blow, 5 draw. Let me double check, make sure that's correct. Nope, sorry, 7 draw, 6 blow, and then 3 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow. It's at the very end of the song. You probably, yeah, okay, it's at the end of the song, so it's like, sorry. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hit those higher notes for sure. This harmonica is a little out of tune too. I've tried to retune it a couple times and I just kind of fucked it up. And I had to retune it to get it back to the untuned version. But yeah, anyways, rambling. It's that 7 draw high note. They're kind of hard to find, but. Nope, that was 8. That's kind of the fun rockabilly solo, kind of towards the end, just when it's getting wild. That's pretty much it for problematic subject. I hope you learned something. It's a fun one. Harmonica key E. I mean, come on, I forgot to flip and mention it again. I noticed the last video I just uploaded it. Forgot to mention what key it was in. So both of them actually were in the key of E. I did that one a couple weeks ago, but now we're in the present. It's good to see you guys. 2020, what kind of big plans you guys got going on for 2020? You guys learning some harmonica, starting a band, doing some covers? I mean, what's going on, you know? One more Murlocs song coming up next. I'm gonna fire these guys out now that I'm kind of on a roll. Doing these one-take wonders, no editing. It's kind of easier for me. Yeah, if you're still listening, I appreciate you. Tutorial coming in a couple days. Another one. Let's just keep it coming. Let me know down below.